Good morning to all students of intermediate classes, RS Inter College, Kanpur. Yesterday we studied about the poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci, composed by John Keats. In the poem I explained to you that when the poet was looking outside, watching the beautiful objects of nature, he saw a knight wandering along in the icy cold atmosphere. He is surprised to see him because nobody could be seen, no creature could be seen outside, no bird was singing there. The reason was because it was icy cold and even so cold that even the water of the lake was frozen. So the poet surprised to see the knight because he equipped with weapons of war, wandering, and he was looking disturbed. So he asked the knight what was the reason why he was wandering there with anguish, with fever, suffering from high fever. What was the reason? Then the knight replied the poet that the reason was that he saw a beautiful lady who was originally beautiful. She looked like the daughter of the fairy. Her face, her eyes were very charming, and he was impressed by her original beauty. She also showed that she was his true lover. She carried the knight to her cave. The knight also followed her. She was walking with the light footsteps, and when she reached her cave, she gave the food to eat for the night. She gave in food delicious roots, very tasty roots, and manna drink for drinking. It is an intoxicacious liquid that is produced through the juice of the fruits. And after that, she moaned as she was loving the knight very much. She lulled him to sleep. After that, when the knight was sleeping, he saw a fearful scene. In his dream, he saw the pale-faced kings, warriors, and princes. All of them opened their mouth. They appeared to be hungry. They warned the knight that he was enthralled by the deceiving lady. The lady was very deceitful. She was not true. She had deceived many persons before him. So he should be alert from deception anymore. And really, when the knight awoke, he saw that he was alone in the cave. There was no other person beside him. And that is the reason the knight says that due to dejection, disappointment in love affair, he is wandering, sorrowfully looking. He is suffering from the fever due to dejection, due to disappointments, and in so bad weather, so icy cold weather, when the sedge has withered off the lake and it has been destroyed also, the poet is not singing due to icy cold while he is wandering beside the lake and beside the hill. Thank you very much. And now look to the explanation of this poetry. The poetry name of the poetry is La Belle Dame Sans Merci by John Keats. First we shall write down here. I meant ... while. Reference. These lines have been selected from the poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci, composed by John Keats. Context. In these lines, the knight replies the poet why he is wandering alone while it is icy cold and no bird sings. Explanation. The poet asked the knight why he was wandering alone when, due to so cold, no creature was seen outside, and the sledge was destroyed. The knight replied that he met a beautiful lady. She appeared to be the daughter of a fairy. Her hair was black and long. She was walking on light foot, and her eyes were originally very charming. He, being impressed by the beauty, gift, gifted her bracelets and waist chain. She showed her love for the knight, and she was mourning in love. The knight followed her, thinking her true beloved. After that, we shall write down the literary qualities of the poet, which qualities, merits, and demerits have been described by him in this poem. So, these some qualities of the poem are found in this poetry are: it is a beautiful form of poem. It is poet's personal poem. The poet has introduced beautiful objects of nature. Keats was great romantic poet. So these are the special qualities of literature that have been introduced by the poet. I will like to tell you that many in great number of poems have been written by John Keats. All of them are mostly romantic poetry, and her poems are very popular among the English readers. Now you should note down it in your fair copy and learn it. Thank you very much.